Another day, another video, another fragrance featuring treasure scents. So I have here four of treasure scents, Eros, Ultramale, Eclat, and Sauvage. So review natin to. Alright, so let's start this video with the favorite ng lahat ngayon sa mga inspired brands. You have here the Ultramale by Treasure Scents. Yun, so let's try it. Good atomizer. The bottle looks good. Wala siyang box by the way. So, yeah. The Ultramale, interesting. Kakaspray ko pa lang siya, pero andun na agad yung hindi ko gusto. The sweetness is there. The bubblegummy sweetness is there. I can smell some mint. Ang problema nga lang, medyo prominent yung alcohol. Yung alcohol set niya, I don't like it. Especially kakaspray ko lang siya and meron agad siyang alcohol set. And by the way, I rested this for 3 days, okay? 3 days ko siya ma-rest, so, I don't know. Yeah. May alcohol agad siya and doesn't project as much as I expect it to be, especially na Ultramale siya. Pero yeah, let's see the others. Next is my favorite, Versace Eros. Lang. Versace Eros, let's go. No. Okay. Smell pa lang. Hindi na agad siya amoy Eros. I can smell the green apple and bergamot. Pero hindi siya yung Eros. There's no vanilla, there's no sweetness. Wala kang makikita ng vanilla. I don't know. Kahit i-compare ko pa siya doon, promise, it's not even a word of, comparing it to the OG Eros kasi hindi talaga siya Eros. Yun nga. Maybe, yeah, wala talaga. Next is the Dior Sauvage. So, start na agad natin to. Yeah, dito tayo. Okay. I can smell the C2C peppery smell ni Dior Sauvage. It's there. Nag-project naman siya. Kaso nga lang, yeah, same with the Ultramale. Amoy alcohol na agad siya. Ang aga-aga pa lang. Maybe needs more dry down. Yeah, the more it dries down, the more na mas taga-amoy alcohol siya. Unfortunate. And lastly, this would be Lanvin Eclat. So yun na nga, isa ito sa mga inaabangan ng karamihan since Eclat is one of the most famous ngayon. I don't know why, when did it become, ooh. This one literally smells like alcohol, no doubt. Wait lang try ko hanapin si, yun, may Eclat mismo. So, spray natin siya dito. Just to compare it, since may alcohol talaga siya. Yeah, layo. May alcohol talaga si Treasure Scents, especially doon kay Eclat. Pero, hindi ko manap yung fresh scent niya. Like, literally, alcohol. Kung alam nyo yung families na alcohol, doon yung amoy niya. For me, I don't know about you guys, yun, may alcohol talaga siya. Okay, so after reviewing those, all I can say is masyado siyang ma-alcohol scent, even on the dry down. It still smells like alcohol. I'd rather buy other brands na mas cheap. For example, is HSI, Aficionado, Enzo Scents. Mas okay pa yung scent nila compared to dito. I think the reason why ganito siya is that they must produce it without resting it in the factory. Hindi siya na-macerate. So, medyo mass produce and then deliver na agad. It kind of sucks na ganun siguro ginagawa nila. Just to catch up with the demand. Pero if you're gonna buy Treasure Scent, I guess maybe i-macerate mo siya by your own. You have to wait for at least 1 to 1 month. Yun siguro yung pinaka best way in order na mapalabas yung talagang scent niya. Ultra Male, it's there. Medyo may alcohol scent siya. Enzo, sobrang layo. Dear Sauvage, it's there as well. Pero, as I said, alcohol as well. Sa Eclat, literal na alcohol siya. I don't wanna be rude, pero amoy alcohol talaga siya. Anyways, yun lang. Kung fanboy ka ng Treasure Scents, I'm so sorry. Pero yun lang. Peace.